Okay, we have a street sign right there called Xi'an Great Mosque. So we're gonna try to walk towards the Xi'an Great Mosque. It's right there. I think we're gonna be walking down this street. It's like a little tourist street. Oh, it might be kind of small. We'll see. But there's a direction that goes there, so we'll take it. And we're kind of in this kind of Muslim street. Oh, that's interesting. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna take that Xi'an Great Mosque and just try to go down that alley. And over there is the bell tower and drums. Right over there. Okay. We got some. Is it good? Yeah. So you can see the.
Can I speak Chinese?
No. Yeah.
I want to make a photo with you.
Sure. You can make a photo with me.
Thank
Okay.
you, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so we're gonna walk down that Xi'an Great Mosque and just kind of see where it goes. Okay, so we're gonna try to go down this alley, and we're basically kind of in this busy tourist street. So let's just kind of take a look and see. So that was funny, he put his arm around me. Like a couple, almost. So funny. Okay, so we're gonna meander towards this Xi'an Great Mosque. Yeah. Got a little tourist street in here.
这个20，上面写字啊。咱们写字。
现在选择。那我就没办法，你弄我这个。
Okay. So a little bit of a shopping district. Might be going through the shopping too quickly because I usually don't buy things very often. But I know some people, that's the whole purpose, is to come somewhere and shop. So I'll have to slow down a little bit. Okay. So just kind of meander. It looks like it says to the Great Mosque, and it's more like the shopping street. But it is nice. It's pleasant. Actually, the crowd's a little bit less, and the alley's kind of cool. So we'll see where it leads us. All right. I think we'll end up continuing on. These shirts are kind of cool. Go ahead and look at some of those. Oh, here we go. Great Mosque ticket office. So it looks like I'm actually here. Looks like I have to buy a ticket if I actually want to go in. 25 yuan. And it's inside here. Tickets here. Okay. Thank you. So it looks like this is what this is. The Great Mosque. So I guess this whole mosque goes all the way around in a big circle. And looks like we've arrived.
Toma cuidado la música.